Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your SUNO subscription using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app. This is where you manage all your subscription. At the top of the setting menu, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on subscription. Here you will see all the active and expired subscription linked to your Apple ID. Scroll through the list and find the SUNO subscription. Tap on it to see details. After that, tap cancel subscription or cancel free trial if available. Confirm your choice when asked. This stops the subscription from renewing the next time. You will see a message confirming your subscription will be cancelled at the end of the current billing period. And that's it. You have successfully cancelled your SUNO subscription from your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.